been no hand sanitizer, no toilet paper, no wipes, no nothing, okay? Hey guys, thank you for coming to sit with us. Today we're going to do a video on how to create your own hand sanitizer. I already know the virus is everywhere in all 50 states, and there has been a shortage on pretty much everything: water, soap, toilet paper, and hand sanitizer, Perel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own. I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box, and I hope you find this video very useful. So like, share, tell your mamas, and your mamas' mamas, and your mans too. Okay guys, so here's all the ingredients that you're going to need to make your hand sanitizers. Again, I am making a non-alcoholic one and an alcoholic one. Sound like I'm making some drinks or something. But for the alcoholic one, I'm using 91% alcohol. The higher the percentage, the better. Aloe Vera gel, I use 100%. I like it with no dyes, pure, clear. For the non-alcoholic, I'm using witch hazel. These are optional. You can add any type of oil you want to. I'm going to add lemongrass. It's a cleanser and it's calming. Eucalyptus also, it fights off germs and viruses and all that great stuff. Tea tree is also a good one. A little spray bottle. And I have another container so I can just squirt the hand sanitizer in my hand. Still there? Still hanging with me? Still hanging with me? Still there? First thing we're going to do is add our aloe to our bottle. Now I purchased this at Mark's. I'm pretty sure you can find it anywhere, but I got mine from Mark's and I paid like $3. I think 98 cents for it. Oh, hello, you have to be open. I'm just gonna squirt some inside of the container. Squirts. And then I'm going to add our 91%. Again, you can use any percentage you want to use. Actually, you can. The CDC recommends 91% to 99% alcohol when making your own hand sanitizer. Pour some in there. Also, the CDC recommends that you use a 60% alcohol ratio when making your own hand sanitizer. Okay? This is optional. You do not have to use it. I'm going to add lemongrass essential oil into my hand sanitizer. Again, it just kind of helps. It makes it more effective, and it smells good, and it doesn't leave your hands as dry. Add a little more, a little dab, a little more. All right, I'm good. I can get carried away with that. I'm gonna take it. Some people use blenders. Some people get a bowl and stir, but I'm just gonna shake, shake, shake. It smells so good too. Yeah, I like that. That is our, ooh, it smells good. Hand sanitizer with the alcohol in it. I'm gonna just kind of let it settle a little bit more. But yeah. Now we're gonna make our hand sanitizer without alcohol. We're gonna use the witch hazel. Just gonna take our aloe, and I'm gonna put this inside of a squirt bottle. Witch hazel. I'm excited for this. Look how easy. Ooh, it's a good moisturizer, I'll tell you that. It's not leaving me dry or ashy like the other hand sanitizer does. And if you are a person who needs the ingredients and certain teaspoons and all of that stuff, I will leave that down below in the description box. And thank you guys so much for coming to sit with us. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make your own hand sanitizer. You need to wash your hands. You need to wash your hands. When you're on the go, when you have the kids, babies, you know, you're out and about. Like they said, if we touch a doorknob, we're touching metal surfaces, light switches, light fixtures, if we're at a grocery store, wherever. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is important, you guys. If you can't find any, make your own. Share this, like this, subscribe, come sit with us again and again and again and again. And you guys have a safe and wonderful day. Bye.